Hi guys, so it's me JP, and today I've made a really special burger. Why? Okay, kanina burger. This is not just any ordinary beef. No, for the longest time we've been planning to really come up with a medyo mahal na burger. So today I've used a Wagyu, A5 Wagyu beef, no? And then I've added double cheese layers on it. Simple lang yun kayo, no? Typical Dobby's burgers, caramelized onions, your favorite brioche buns, and also, our specially made secret original sauce. And today, nabot na gud ang adlaw just right after sinulog, no? So, I'm gonna slice it for you. Itong tanawon. A5 ni Wagyu beef. There. Ooh. Wow. So as you all know, medyo mahal-mahal yun yung Wagyu beef, no? And wala na ko ilaing gisagulan ni. Just like any other Dobby's burgers. So atong tilawan, as simple as it may be, no? So let's try it. Amiyay. Lahi lagi. Lahi lagi guys. Nuts in your mouth agad kayang Wagyu beef. Yeah. Slide down there of ice cold Coke. Wow. Makapit senior kita nih. Sekarang. Wow. So kung gusto mag burger, make sure lang high heat. Yeah, cast iron para i-smash niyo sa inyo ang patty, no? Ma-retain gapo ng freshness, and you also get the the crispiness, no, from the outside of the patty. Wait I'm gonna call my wife para ato may bawan gud unsa gyud iyang si Dobby mismo, unsa iyang reaction when she will get to try the Wagyu Dobby's burgers. Hi. Ali ba? Dali, bite. One bite. One bite. Sige, dali. Okay guys, atong patilawon. Dali, dabs. The perfect bite daw, perfect bite. Go. So, ang sila ba? Diba? Very good. Very Wagyu.
Nasa distinct taste.
Very good. So comment down below. And let's make a survey if you want us to add the Wagyu Dobby's burgers. Okay guys, that's it, and Bebop, it's in your